In this video, you'll learn how to create a QR code for your Calendly meeting link. By following these steps, you will be able to generate a QR code that can be easily shared or printed for others to scan and book appointments with you. To begin, you need to copy your meeting link from Calendly. On your screen, locate the meeting you want to share, such as discovery call or new meeting. Next, click copy link beside the selected meeting. At this point, your Calendly link is now copied to your clipboard, ready for the next step. The next step involves creating the QR code using Google Chrome. Open a new tab in your browser. Once the new tab is open, paste the copied Calendly link into the address bar and press enter. This action will take you to your Calendly booking page where the link directs. After the page loads, look for the share icon, which appears as a square with an arrow pointing upwards, located in the address bar. Click on the share icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Create QR Code based on your Calendly link. Once the QR code is created, you will see an option to download it. Click on the Download button to save the QR code image to your device. Be aware that the file size may vary and ensure you have enough storage space available before downloading. Now that you have your QR code, you can use it in various ways. Consider printing it on business cards, posters, or even including it in your email signature. You can also share it via WhatsApp, add it to your resume, or display it on your office door. Anyone who scans the code will be directed instantly to your booking page, making it easier for them to schedule a meeting with you. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.